guys, and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video. Good morning guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Well, I don't know if this is going to be like a weekly, well this isn't going to be a weekly vlog. Basically this is going to be my Makeup Revolution Halloween party vlog. You guys might remember last year I went to the Makeup Revolution Halloween party in London. And I was Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. This year I've not got much of an outfit sorted. It's an Alice in Wonderland theme and I'm going as Alice, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with my makeup. But I'm trying to travel quite light, so I'm not taking like loads and loads of makeup with me. So I'm just hoping that I can figure something out with what I'm taking. So yeah, I'm just about ready and I'm about to go and get the train and we're on our way. Okay guys, I am here in my hotel room, another Premier Inn like the last one. This is the bathroom. Again, it's just a nice little bathroom. I have a thing where I keep accidentally turning off the record button. But yeah, this is it. This is just our little room. We're going to be getting ready in a bit, but it's still quite early, so yay. So I am all ready guys. I've got my outfit on. And I've done my makeup and my hair. There will be a video on this makeup look. Mercedes is all ready and she also has her video for her makeup as well. Mercedes is more like a bloody, like a zombie type Alice kind of thing. And then I'm kind of more of a glam type Alice.
The glam Alice and then the bloody Alice.
Two Alices.
That could be fun now.
So, yeah, we're just about to go and let's see what is going on at the party. So this is our Premier Inn and I just think it's so cute. I love Premier Inn. Oh, music. Don't want to get copyrighted. Look how pretty it is, everyone. It's so pretty. Oh, I feel like I can see like a carousel type thing. Oh yeah. Oh, exciting! Cute! Guys, there is a massive queue. We were like, oh, let's go on time. There's just a massive queue now. Do you know what I think it is? They've literally waited till 8 o'clock to let people in. And now we're just going straight in, so it's all good. I'm glad we didn't come early though, because I would not have been happy. So we're just going in now, but nobody is wearing Alice in Wonderland themed stuff. We are. Apart from us. So we're a little bit confused, but we're pretty sure that that's what the actual theme was. It definitely is. So, oh well. So yeah, we are just going in now and yes, can't wait to get inside. This place is amazing.
back? Why are you at the back? Please come and join us at the front. There is the Mad Hatters tea party here in the front. Please come and say hello. Okay, so I'm Adam. I'm one of the founders of Makeup Revolution. And the first thing I'd like to say is, this is what you've done. This is what you have done. Oh my God, I'm on the screen. Okay, so welcome, 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 welcome to Revolution's 4th Halloween. I think it's our 3rd Halloween party. It gives me great pleasure to say thank you so much for coming tonight. So who have we got in the room? This just gives me a little bit of time to warm up, by the way. So, I always want to understand where people have come from, because love and not hate. More love, less hate. What makes a revolution is passion and belief. What makes a revolution is true creativity. You are the revolution. That's what's next. You are the revolution. So, a few thank yous first, and some of them will be a bit emotional for you. Thank you so much to all my partners around the world, Team Poland, Team Serbia, all the ones that I forget to mention. Mr. Hare is in the building. Can I just say that Mr. Hare is in It's like really difficult because I know that I'll get copyrighted if like right now I don't know if you can hear music, and I'm gonna get copyrighted if you can. So I'm hoping that you can just hear me and not any music, but yours. So I'm here, we're having a good time, it's really good. I've seen Imogen, I've seen Soph, I've seen Adam, loads of people, everyone's here. It's so good. I'm trying to get as much clips as I can, but it's probably gonna have to have the volume cut out, you guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, love you. Right guys, we are back in our hotel now. We've got our little goodie bag. I actually really like the bags that they came in as well.
They're so cute, aren't they?
Mercedes can't talk anymore.
I know, I've lost my voice.
Because she's been talking so much all night. So
and
yeah,
screeching and just having a good time.
So we are back now, and I think we're just going to chill out and probably go to sleep, and then I will hopefully catch you guys in the morning.
Last time?
Morning guys, it's now the next day and we are just in the hotel room and we are about to leave to get the trains home and whatnot, so I thought I would leave this vlog here. There's not really much more to say. I'm just going to be getting a train home, and then obviously like it's my birthday tomorrow, so I think I'm just going to start straight, yeah, it is tomorrow, isn't it? It's my birthday tomorrow. I'm going to start straight in with the a birthday vlog. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!